Okay, we're going to mount a motor mount. The two motor mounts are done the same way for the Y gantry and the X gantry. In this step, we're going to be using four 3-inch carriage bolts. The backer for the motor mount plate looks like this guy here. In addition to that, we're going to need 16 of the motor mount spacers. Those are these little guys that are cut out. And we're also going to need 4 1/4 flange nuts. We'll also need the top plate for the motor, and that guy looks like this one here. So the first thing you want to do is take the back plate, the one with the square holes in it, insert 4 of the carriage bolts. This whole thing then can get put on the inside, lined up, and stuck through. Then I'm going to go ahead and take on each one of these and put on 4 of the spacers. Once we have the 4 spacers on, we can put the top plate on for the motor. And then on top of this, we put our 4 1/4 flange nuts. And that mounts the motor mount plate to the side of the gantry so we can mount our motor.